You may not know what to do if the error message number null occurs when carrying out calculations in a table. Today, I'll talk about why the error message number null occurs and how to solve it. In general, the error message number null is caused by the lack of the reference operator in references, resulting in an empty range of references. First, the formula references continuous cell range without the correct reference operator. Take this table as an example. If we want to sum up the company's sales of all machines in the first quarter, input equals sum C3 space C8 in C10, and it returns number null. That's because we didn't use the correct reference operator when referencing the continuous cell range of C3 through C8. The solution is to add a colon to split the first and last cells, so we input equals sum C3 through C8 to get the result. Second, the formula references discontinuous cell ranges without the correct reference operator. If we want to sum up the sales of all machines in the first and third quarter, input equals sum C3 through C8 space E3 through E8 in D11, and then it returns number null. That's because we didn't use the correct reference operator between the two discontinuous cell ranges C3 through C8 and E3 through E8. The solution is to add a comma to split these two cell ranges, so we input equals sum C3 through C8, comma E3 through E8 to work out the sum.